Good day to everyone. This is Team 99's presentation for Data Science for All 2020 Period 2. For this activity, we developed a business improvement and sales increase project for Ceramica Italia through the use of the technological tools and data analysis. Ceramica Italia is a company from Norte de Santander with 37 years in the Colombian market. The company produces ceramic floor and wall coverings, also markets other types of related products, such as bathroom line, accessories, glues, furniture, taps, as well as imported coating. It currently has 16 owned stores in the country and a network of more than 300 allies in different geographic areas in Colombia, and presence too abroad with distributors in the US and some countries in Central and South America. It had several channels for the commercialization of the products, like corporate channel, retail channel to end customers, and e-commerce in its website and virtual channels. Its portfolio is based on 3 pillars: innovation, variety, and design inspired by the latest European fashion trends, combining art and decor. For this project, Ceramica Italia was aware of the need to segment its clients according to their characteristics, in order to reach them in a more successful way, offering the right products in the right moment for each client according to their purchasing statistics, as well as improving its promotional activity by establishing the needs or wants of its customers before they express it. The company wants to manufacture in a more precise way, optimize the inventory of raw materials and finished products, and it is believed that it will achieve this if it had an effective recommendation system that will allow it to calculate what inventory it should have in each period. In addition, they want to generate promotional strategies for those clients whose participation of the brand in its business begin to decrease. Ceramica Italia also wants to generate strategies that increase sales from the e-commerce channels and create new points of sale that allow the company grow and once generate new jobs. It is suggested to segment customers into different groups, thus finding the most lucrative groups and developing a model that allows predicting over the time which customer and which products their customers will buy. To put an end to the problem, data were received on billing for the last 10 years and on Google Analytics AdWords from Ceramica Italia for the last 2 years. This information was cleaned, organized, analyzed, classified, and clustered. This allowed it to separate 9 groups or clusters of clients, each of them with different characteristics that will help to the company to separate its campaigns for each group of its clients, as well as launch promotional events, predict the approximate purchase dates, and the categories or materials most likely to buy. After reviewing the information, establish a clear understanding of the problem and agree on the best ways to solve it, an application that we named Cerci was developed. Cerci allows the company to consult the materials, the groups of articles, and colors that were best sold during the last semester. It will also be able to verify for each group of customers according to the year, the categories of articles, and the behavior of the average income by group of articles or type of materials. Cerci will then display the average sale for the last month and the average amount received during that period. It also allows to check the segmentation of customers who have billed in recent years, giving some of their characteristics like days since their first purchase, age, purchase amount, number of products, and purchase frequency. Cerci also shows to the end user, giving a customer ID, the probable date of his next purchase, his favorite store, the category and material of the product that he probably wants to purchase, and the group to which he belongs, thus achieving the need to predict possible future purchases to optimize production processes. In the same way, Cerci shows the AdWords statistics of the last months, showing the user at which times the promotion of their ads are more effective, as well as the URLs of the location that drive their visits to their own website, and the keywords and search engines that have brought the most visitors to the company's sale page. Startse offers the company an interactive map where users can check the places in the country where sales have been hired or loaded during the last 10 years. In this way, the company evaluates the possibility of opening new stores in places where there is more demand or opening a new branch or allies in places where their sales are not yet representative. The model allowed customers to be classified into groups based on their purchase frequency. Those segments will be the mainstay to develop marketing campaigns and optimize the profitability and effectiveness of the strategies, offering the right product at the right price at the right time. Clusters 3, 4, 6, and 8 reflect the focus and strategy of the company in concentrating the highest volume of sales in groups of clients that seems to be wholesales or corporate. This represents around the 0.11% of the customers, which could generate a risk of dependency. Although Ceramica Italia offers products that are characterized by being long-lasting and involve low repurchase periods, which is explained in clusters 0, 2, and 9. That represents 74.2% of these customers. The company could be losing business opportunity due to the lack of action of these groups of customers by offering complementary products or new trends in the market that can incentivize a buyback effect. Due to the fact that Google Analytics represent anonymized and group information, the company provides us isolated tables that did not allow establishing relationships and building a model to predict purchasing propensity. However, taking advantage of the information received, descriptive metrics of user behavior on the website were developed in order to support decision making, and a strategy that linked with the segmentation model will increase the accuracy. In order to develop this prediction model, firstly, it is suggested to obtain information that contains more than one dimension per table and thus be able to extract information from the data. This can be done by connecting the Google Analytics account and API to download information. All of these are our vision to implement to the project in the future. We are Team 99. Our team is made up of Daniel Escamilla from Bogotá, Danin Gomez from Bogotá, David Navarro from Medellín, Freddy Muñoz from Bogotá, Juan David Romero from Cúcuta, Wilson Rodriguez from Choachí, and the speaker, Natalie Velázquez from Cúcuta. Each one of us wanted to contribute the best of ourselves, our time, and our effort to this academic exercise, and we are very grateful to Correlation One, Mintic, and our TAs, and all the people who form this wonderful course. Thank you very much for sharing your knowledge and for giving us this great opportunity.